Hi, my name is Jamie, and today I'm going to teach you how to clip your puppy's toenails. This is my own puppy, Drax. He is a 10-month-old Basset Shih Tzu mix. Right, Drax? Yeah. Before you clip your puppy's toenails, you want to get them used to being handled. So what I like to do is hold my puppy's paws and squeeze them in just a little bit, run my fingers through them, and just get him used to the whole experience so it's a very positive experience in the end. Another thing you need to know is inside each toenail is a sensitive area called the quick, and that has blood vessels and nerves, and if you clip them a little too close, then it could sting and it could possibly bleed.
So the first thing you're going to need is some styptic powder, just in case there's an accident, and some nail trimmers. Drax's nails are really long right now because they haven't been cut in about a month, but you really want to do your puppy's nails about every week or every 2 weeks. You can see how the ends are starting to thin out and curve. You want to cut that whole curved part off as seen in this picture right here. Drax's nails are both black and clear, and in the nail on the right you can see the quick, which is the pink part inside. That's the part we don't want to cut. So for wiggly puppies, we want to use our finger or our thumb for a guide. Just in case he moves, we don't want to cut too much off. So I'm putting my thumb here at the edge where I want to clip, and I clip, and my thumb is guarding me from going any further. I like to give him little treats in between, just so he knows it's a positive experience. And here I'm using my thumb again as a little guard. Try to make this a fun experience for your puppy, with lots of treats, praise, and rewards. It's also a good idea to pretend to cut your puppy's nails just to get him used to the sound of the clippers. I hope this was helpful for you today, and I'll see you guys next time. Thank you. Bye.